Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today for another beauty adventure. I hope you're all doing wonderfully and feeling fabulous. As always, thank you for tuning in and being a part of this amazing community. Your support means the world to me, and it inspires me to create content that you'll truly enjoy and find helpful. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into today's topic. Today, we're diving into at-home Brazilian waxing. We'll explore the ins and outs of achieving salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own bathroom. I'll share my tried-and-true tips, tricks, and techniques to make the process as smooth and painless as possible. We'll cover everything from choosing the right wax to prepping your skin and mastering the application. A topic so many of you have asked about. I've received countless messages and comments requesting a detailed guide on at-home Brazilian waxing, and I'm thrilled to finally deliver. I know it can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and a little practice, you can achieve amazing results. I've been doing my own Brazilian waxes at home for years, and I'm excited to share my expertise with you. A Brazilian wax removes all the hair from your bikini area, front to back, leaving you feeling clean, confident, and carefree. It's a popular choice for many women who want to avoid the hassle of daily shaving or the discomfort of other hair removal methods. Plus, it's a great way to pamper yourself and feel extra special. For weeks of smooth skin, imagine not having to worry about shaving every other day or dealing with the constant stubble. With a Brazilian wax, you can enjoy silky smooth skin for up to 4 weeks, giving you more time to focus on the things you love. It's a game changer for busy women who want to simplify their beauty routine. Unlike shaving, waxing pulls hair from the root, which means it takes longer for the hair to grow back. This also means that the hair that does grow back is often finer and softer than before, making the whole process more comfortable over time. So regrowth is softer and slower. You'll notice a significant difference in the texture and thickness of your hair after just a few waxing sessions. This is because waxing weakens the hair follicle, leading to less dense and more manageable regrowth. It also helps prevent razor bumps and irritation, which are common side effects of shaving. Razor bumps can be painful, unsightly, and even lead to infection. Waxing eliminates this risk by removing the hair from the root, preventing ingrown hairs and irritation, leaving your skin brighter and smoother. Waxing also exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells and revealing a fresh, radiant complexion. This can help to improve the overall appearance of your skin, making it look healthier and more youthful. Ultimately, it's about feeling confident and empowered in your own skin. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates from within. Taking care of your body and indulging in self-care rituals like waxing can boost your confidence and make you feel more comfortable in your own skin. If you're ready to try, I'll guide you through every step. I'll break down the process into manageable steps, providing clear instructions and helpful tips along the way. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with waxing, you'll find this tutorial easy to follow and incredibly informative. Let's get started and make you a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and skills you need to confidently perform your own Brazilian waxes at home. So, let's gather our supplies, prepare our skin, and embark on this exciting beauty journey together. I'm so excited to share my secrets with you and help you achieve the smooth, confident skin you deserve. Before we begin, let's talk supplies. Use a quality hard wax. Never soft wax with strips for sensitive areas. Invest in a wax warmer for safe, consistent heating. Prep with a cleanser and a thin layer of pre-wax oil. Finish with after-wax oil to soothe skin. Have cotton pads, sharp scissors for trimming, and plenty of spatulas. Never double dip. A handheld mirror is essential for hard-to-see spots. Finish your kit with baby powder or cornstarch to absorb moisture. The right tools make all the difference. Achieving a flawless finish with waxing isn't just about the wax itself, it's about meticulous preparation. Prep is everything. It's the foundation upon which a successful waxing experience is built. Think of it as preparing a canvas before painting. The smoother and cleaner the canvas, the better the final artwork. Similarly, with waxing, the more attention you pay to pre-waxing preparation, the smoother, cleaner, and longer-lasting the results will be. This includes everything from ensuring your hair is the right length to creating a relaxing environment that minimizes discomfort. We're going to walk you through each crucial step to ensure you get the best possible outcome. For optimal waxing results, hair should be about 1/4 inch long. This length allows the wax to grip the hair effectively, ensuring that it's removed from the root rather than just breaking off at the surface. If the hair is too short, the wax might not be able to adhere properly, leading to missed hairs and a less than smooth finish. On the other hand, if the hair is too long, it can make the waxing process more painful and less efficient. A 1/4 inch is the sweet spot, providing the perfect balance for a clean and comfortable waxing experience. If your hair is longer than a 1/4 inch, trim if needed. Use a small pair of grooming scissors or an electric trimmer to carefully shorten the hairs. It's best to do this when the hair is dry, as wet hair tends to appear longer than it actually is. Take your time and trim in small sections to avoid accidentally cutting the hair too short. Remember, it's better to leave the hair slightly longer than too short, as you can always trim a little more if necessary. The goal is to achieve that ideal 1/4 inch length for a smooth and effective waxing session. Exfoliate gently 2 days before to prevent ingrowns. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells that can clog pores and trap hairs, leading to those pesky and uncomfortable ingrown hairs. Use a gentle scrub, exfoliating mitt, or loofah to buff away dead skin, paying particular attention to areas prone to ingrowns, such as the bikini line and legs. Be sure to use gentle circular motions and avoid applying too much pressure, as over-exfoliating can irritate the skin. While exfoliation is crucial in the days leading up to your waxing appointment, it's equally important to skip exfoliating on wax day. Your skin needs to be in its most natural state, free from any potential irritation. Waxing itself provides a form of exfoliation, so doing it twice in one day can lead to redness, sensitivity, and even damage to the skin. Give your skin a break on wax day, and let the waxing process do its job. Shower beforehand to open pores. The warm water and steam help to soften the hair follicles, making it easier for the wax to grip the hair and remove it cleanly. This not only reduces discomfort, but also minimizes the risk of hair breakage, which can lead to ingrown hairs. A warm shower also helps to cleanse the skin, removing any dirt, oil, or sweat that could interfere with the waxing process. While a shower is beneficial, avoid heavy lotions. Lotions, especially those that are oil-based, can create a barrier between the wax and the hair, preventing the wax from adhering properly. This can result in missed hairs and a less than smooth finish. Additionally, lotions can leave a residue on the skin that can clog pores and contribute to ingrown hairs. After your shower, pat the area dry. Avoid rubbing the skin vigorously, as this can cause irritation. Gently patting the skin dry ensures that it's clean and free from excess moisture, creating the perfect surface for waxing. Once the area is completely dry, dust with powder for a perfect canvas. A light dusting of talcum powder or baby powder absorbs any remaining moisture and creates a smooth, dry surface that allows the wax to adhere properly to the hair. This is especially important in areas that tend to be more humid or prone to sweating. The powder also helps to protect the skin from the heat of the wax, reducing the risk of irritation. Now that your skin is prepped and ready, it's time to focus on creating a relaxing environment. Create a calm space. This is an often overlooked aspect of waxing, but it can significantly impact your overall experience. Soft music, candles, or aromatherapy can help to soothe your nerves and create a more peaceful atmosphere. Taking the time to relax helps. The more relaxed you are, the less sensitive you'll be to any discomfort during the waxing process. On the day of your waxing appointment, avoid caffeine or alcohol. These substances can increase your sensitivity to pain and make the waxing process more uncomfortable. If you're particularly nervous or have a low pain tolerance, consider a pain reliever if you're nervous. Taking an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen or acetaminophen about 30 minutes before your appointment can help to reduce any discomfort you might experience. Throughout the waxing process, remember to take your time and breathe. Deep, slow breaths can help to calm your nerves and reduce any tension you might be feeling. Remember, you're in control. You can always ask your esthetician to pause or adjust the process if you're feeling uncomfortable. By following these simple yet crucial preparation steps, you're setting yourself up for a successful and comfortable waxing experience. Let's set you up for smooth success. Safety first, always do a patch test. Heat wax to a thick, honey-like consistency and test on your wrist, then a small spot near your bikini line. If there's no major reaction, you're good to go. Lay a towel down and get into a comfy position. Knees bent or butterfly pose works great. Use your mirror for visibility. Take a few deep breaths and put on empowering music. We'll work in small sections, so don't feel overwhelmed. Ready? Let's do this. Alright, let's dive into the world of DIY bikini waxing. It might seem a little daunting at first, but with the right preparation and technique, you can achieve smooth, salon-worthy results in the comfort of your own home. Before we even think about wax, let's talk prep. Exfoliating the area a day or two beforehand is key to removing dead skin cells and preventing ingrown hairs. A warm bath or shower can also help to soften the hair follicles, making the waxing process a little less painful. Make sure your skin is clean and completely dry before you start. A little bit of talcum powder can help absorb any excess moisture. Now, mentally prepare yourself, find a comfortable position, and let's get started. We're going to start with the front bikini line because it's generally less sensitive than other areas. Understanding the direction of hair growth is crucial for effective waxing. Take a close look at your hair growth pattern. Typically, the hair grows downwards, but it can vary slightly from person to person. Waxing against the grain is what removes the hair, but applying the wax, the grain ensures proper adhesion. This initial area is a great place to get comfortable with the process before moving on to more delicate spots. Remember, patience is key. Now, using your applicator, apply a thin, even layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Remember, thin is in. A thick layer of wax won't grip the hairs properly and will just be messy and painful to remove. Make sure the wax adheres well to the hair by pressing down gently with the spatula. The length of the strip should be manageable. About 1 to 2 inches wide is a good starting point. This allows for better control and reduces the risk of pulling too much hair at once. Next, apply your wax strip firmly over the wax, smoothing it down in the direction of hair growth. When applying the wax, make a small strip with a thicker edge to grip. This is super important. That thicker edge will give you something solid to hold onto when you're ready to pull, making the removal process much easier and more effective. Press and smooth the strip several times to ensure it's properly adhered to the wax and the hairs underneath. Now, let it set until firm, allowing the wax to cool slightly and grip the hairs tightly. This usually takes just a few seconds, but don't rush it. The waiting time is crucial for the wax to properly encapsulate the hairs. Think of it like letting glue dry before you try to stick things together. If you pull too soon, you'll just end up with a sticky mess and a lot of missed hairs. Before you rip, test the strip to make sure it's firm but flexible. You want it to be solid enough to pull the hairs out, but not so brittle that it cracks or breaks. Gently peel up a corner of the strip to check the consistency of the wax underneath. If it's still too soft and gooey, give it another few seconds to set. Flexibility is key to a clean and efficient pull. Now for the big moment. Before you pull, hold skin taut, pulling the skin in the opposite direction of the hair growth. This is absolutely essential. Holding the skin taut provides resistance and prevents the skin from lifting with the strip, which can cause bruising and unnecessary pain. Use your free hand to firmly anchor the skin around the area you're waxing. Take a deep breath and then pull the strip off quickly and parallel to your skin. The key here is speed and direction. Pulling quickly minimizes the pain, and pulling parallel to the skin prevents lifting and bruising. Don't hesitate. The faster you pull, the better the results and the less discomfort you'll experience. Imagine you're ripping off a Band-Aid. The quicker, the better. Exhale as you pull. This might sound silly, but trust me, it works. Exhaling helps to relax your muscles and distract you from the momentary sting. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference in your overall comfort level. Think of it as a mini meditation for your bikini line. Immediately after pulling the strip, press your hand firmly on the area to soothe. This helps to calm the nerve endings and reduce any redness or irritation. The pressure acts as a natural pain reliever and helps to minimize inflammation. You can also apply a cold compress or a soothing lotion to further calm the skin. Continue the process, repeating in small sections. Don't try to wax large areas all at once. It's much more effective and less painful to work in small, manageable sections. This allows you to focus on proper technique and ensures that you're removing all the hairs effectively. When applying the wax, overlap slightly to avoid missed spots. It's easy to miss a few hairs here and there, so overlapping ensures that you're getting everything. Just be careful not to overlap too much, as this can lead to irritation. A little overlap is good, but too much can be counterproductive. Hygiene is paramount. Always use a new spatula for each dip into your wax pot. This prevents the spread of bacteria and ensures a clean and safe waxing experience. Double dipping is a big no-no. It's not worth the risk of infection. Work methodically, taking your time and paying attention to detail. Rushing the process will only lead to mistakes and missed hairs. A slow and steady approach is the best way to achieve smooth, long-lasting results. Focus on one patch at a time, completing each section before moving on to the next. This helps you stay organized and ensures that you're not missing any spots. It's like painting a room. You wouldn't try to do everything at once, would you? You're doing amazing. Keep going. Remember to breathe and stay focused. You've got this. The end result, smooth, hair-free skin, is well worth the effort. The first strip is the hardest. It's often the most painful and the most intimidating. But once you get that first one out of the way, the rest will feel much easier. It gets easier with each strip you remove. You'll get more comfortable with the technique, and your pain tolerance will likely increase. So hang in there and remember why you started this in the first place, for that smooth, confident feeling. Now for the sensitive areas. Work in even smaller strips. Hold the skin extra taut and apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Pay attention to hair direction and adjust as needed. Pull quickly in parallel, then apply pressure to soothe. Don't wax the same spot more than twice. Tweeze strays if needed. Be patient and gentle. Avoid irritation. Use your mirror and the butterfly position for better access. You're almost done. Last step, the backside. Try lying on your side with one knee up or get on all fours for better access. Use your mirror and apply wax in small strips, following hair growth. Hold skin taut, pull quickly, and soothe immediately. Usually, just a couple of strips per side does the trick. Check for stray hairs and tweeze if needed. Remove any sticky residue with after-wax oil. You did it. Full Brazilian complete. Don't panic if things go wrong, mistakes happen. If wax cracks, apply a fresh layer on top and pull both off together. Missed hairs? If skin isn't irritated, try waxing again otherwise. Tweeze. Redness and minor bleeding are normal, but bruising means you need to hold skin tighter next time. For stuck wax, use oil on a cotton pad, never scrape or use hot water. Stay calm and gentle with your skin. Every session gets easier. Aftercare is key for smooth, happy skin. Cleanse with after-wax oil to remove residue and soothe. For 24-48 hours, avoid heat, sweat, and tight clothes. Let your skin breathe. Wait 2 days before exfoliating, then do so gently 2-3 times a week to prevent ingrowns. Moisturize daily with fragrance-free lotion or soothing oil. Look for calming ingredients like aloe or chamomile. Consistent care makes future waxing easier. You did it? Be proud. At-home Brazilian waxing is now part of your beauty routine.